I'm a world traveler, so as you can see.
Yeah, sounds like it. Man, hope you. How are the roads over there?
Terrible.
Ah, that's not the right number. From the window. Is that the right number? Five. Oh, sorry. So I'm double calling, just like it says in the book.
Please leave your message for.
All right, what do I do now? It's okay with Curtis. He said he didn't say no. I'll call this customer 10 times if Curtis lets me. And if they answer, they're not going to be mad.
Hello?
Hi, Aiden. Oh, Aiden, thank you for taking my call. I'm so happy I got you on the phone. This is Kyle from the dealership. You went to...
Sure, what dealership?
We are from... And that Mustang is a nice choice.
Thank you. Is that why you called me 3 times in a row?
Well, I called you 3 times. The phone was acting weird. I wasn't even sure if it was connecting. And I double-checked to confirm it looks like that Mustang's available. And I wanted to see when you'd be available to come out and take a look.
Where are you at?
Shalom.
Shalom?
Yeah.
South Carolina? Where you at?
North Carolina. Right in between Myrtle Beach and Wilmington.
Okay.
Yeah.
I live in Charlotte. I will be in Myrtle this weekend. I am in Raleigh right now. I'm a world traveler, so as you can see.
Yeah, sounds like it. Man, hope you. How are the roads over there?
Terrible.
Ah.
Yeah, I haven't gone above 35 the past 36 hours.
What are you driving now?
A Saab.
How's the Saab doing in the snow?
It's all right.
That's cool.
It's got 4-wheel drive that I throw it in.
Nice.
But send me a text with the Mustang again. I'm on the road. I'm going back to Charlotte. I'm just filling up my tank.
And then what are you gonna do with your Saab?
Probably private sell it. I mean, a dealership is going to give me $200 for it, so.
You might be surprised. What year is it?
99.
So I'd be more than happy to give you some numbers. Those things have actually brought pretty good money. It's kind of a unique vehicle. I can give you numbers if you like it, great. If you hate it, no problem. So we may save you the trouble.
Yeah, you can give me numbers.
Is there a tax credit?
Sorry, real quick, so you can get the odometer.
Nice. And you get a tax credit if you trade it in.
Okay. By the time I get down to Myrtle and back to Raleigh, it'll be at like 82,000.
Oh, that's pretty good on a 99.
Yeah, I bought it with 55,000 on it.
Wow, that's great. I'll text you the car and I'll text you where we're at and all that stuff. What time Saturday do you think you'll be in the area?
I'm going to 2 dealerships in Myrtle Beach on Saturday.
What the heck? You cheating on us? I thought it was us for life.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. So, I mean, I'm looking right now. So Saturday, how late are you guys open?
We'll be here until 7 on Saturday.
Till 7?
Yeah.
How many miles are you from Myrtle?
Not too far. Probably about 30.
Oh, 30 miles from Myrtle? Okay.
Yeah.
When you send me that text, I'll send you a text back.
Perfect. And then I want to get crazy. Speaking of gas, when you come in, come see us first. I'm going to put some gas in your car. We'll see after you see me.
All right. We will see.
Yeah, we'll make you a crazy good deal. I'll text you all the stuff. We'll see you Saturday. Around what time? Just ballpark?
It's going to be later in the evening, like 6.
All right, perfect.
6, 7.
Yeah, I'll text you, and then we'll firm it up on Saturday. And in all sincerity, we have more probably Mustangs than anybody else. We're part of the 40 stores just in this market. So we can usually offer a little bit more for cars, and we have the best availability, too, for reals.
All right, I appreciate that, man.
And I've been with them 10 years. All right, thank you. I'll text you right now.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, bye. So there you go. We called him, didn't answer. What happened? Called again. You were scared to do it even before I did it. You're like, right? And then we called again 3 times. Hey, yeah, no big deal, blah, blah, blah. Was he furious? Did he hang up on me? No. You guys want to hear something crazy that happens? I've been doing this 10 years. I've made thousands of those calls. For some reason, I just get lucky every single time.